In our daily life, all around us are facilities for securing cash and valuables. Security for these facilities requires continual improvement in order to stay ahead of ever-developing criminal technology. For example, earlier, the ATM thieves' toolkit consisted simply of a sledgehammer and a Bulgarian. More recently, they have advanced to detaching the ATM by means of a cutting torch, then dragging away the entire unit. Today, thieves use even faster and more efficient methods to break into secured facilities. One method is the gas explosion attack against ATMs. Ordinary flammable gas is introduced into the ATM. When the gas-air mixture reaches flammability, it is ignited. The resulting explosion inside the ATM creates high internal pressure, forcing open the ATM door. To make matters worse, ATMs are often installed on the ground floors of residential buildings, in the halls of office buildings and underground facilities, in hotel lobbies and in shopping malls. In these instances, over and above ATM damage and bank material losses, the explosion attack presents a serious danger to human life and health. The most effective protection for ATMs is to prevent such explosions entirely. Thus, it is very important to detect an explosion attempt at the stage of preparation. By request of several leading banks, the principals and engineers of Rielta Company, in collaboration with the Okhrana Research Center of the Russian Ministry of Internal Affairs, have developed a revolutionary new explosion-counteracting system to provide a vital component of integrated safety and security for ATMs and other bank storehouse facilities. On the safety systems market is a wide range of household gas detectors and gas analyzers for precise measurement of almost any gas concentration. However, as standalone products, these devices are large, expensive, and above all, without any ability to prevent an explosion of a flammable gas mixture. Upon consideration of actual conditions, the collaborating developers decided to create a special system of equipment, including two built-in components: a flammable gas detector and an explosion counteracting unit. This is the Udar KB Criminal Explosion Counteracting System. The Udar STG flammable gas detector detects pre-explosive concentration of common dangerous flammable gases and gives an alarm signal. To provide instant and local action upon an alarm from the flammable gas detector, the Udar KB system is equipped with an electronically controlled phlegmatizing unit, featuring a tank containing a phlegmatizing substance for introduction into the ATM upon occurrence of a flammable gas alarm. The Udar STG flammable gas detector is constantly analyzing the presence of explosive gases inside the ATM. Upon detecting the predetermined level of explosive gas concentration inside the ATM, the detector opens normally closed alarm relay contacts, while simultaneously activating a special algorithm to initiate and control phlegmatizer introduction. Thus, the very possibility of explosion is eliminated. Secure gaseous environment inside the ATM strongbox is maintained during the time required for the police squad to arrive to the crime scene. Advantages: the Udar STG flammable gas detector is engineered and manufactured by a well-known and deeply qualified Russian company experienced in the field of banking security. It is produced using the highest quality components. Its unique built-in sensor provides fail-safe operation over a wide range of conditions. It is manufacturer warranted for 3 years continuous service. Now let's perform operational tests. We install the Udar KB system on the serial model of the ATM. The system comprises the Udar STG flammable gas detector and the electronically controlled phlegmatizing unit with its tank full of phlegmatizing substance. Now, let's try to perform a gas explosion attack against the ATM. As explosive gas is gradually introduced into the ATM, we observe the operation of the Udar STG flammable gas detector via the camcorder installed inside. As soon as the gas concentration reaches its alarm threshold of 10% of the lower explosive concentration, the flammable gas detector responds. Explosive gas is detected, and an alarm message is transmitted to Central Security Console. At the same time, and before an explosive concentration can be attained, the Udar STG flammable gas detector gives a command to activate the phlegmatizing unit, which introduces phlegmatizing substance from its tank. The ATM's internal atmospheric composition quickly changes so as to make an explosion impossible. During the experiment, over the next 15 minutes, all efforts to ignite the gas mixture give no result. The Udar KB system has stopped the attempt to breach the ATM. Now, let's examine the situation when the ATM is not equipped by the Udar KB Explosion-counteracting system. We introduce propane into the ATM strongbox through the ATM cash acceptor opening. Some time is needed to reach an explosive level of the gas-air mixture. Once the mixture becomes flammable, we send an electric discharge over a spark gap and the result is obvious. The effect of using the Udar KB system is not limited to the mere information transmission about the attack on the ATM. Instead, it actually protects the ATM by counteracting any ATM explosion until a police squad arrives. The Udar STG flammable gas detector is engineered and manufactured by the Russian company Realta. During manufacture, each device passes acceptance tests where detectability of hazardous gases and all basic technical characteristics of the detector are thoroughly checked. At the annual International Safety and Security Exhibition, Securica MIPS 2016, the Udar KB Criminal Explosion Counteracting System for ATMs earned first place in the competition category of Best Innovative Product. The Udar KB Criminal Explosion Counteracting System has successfully passed tests organized by Sberbank of Russia and is highly commended by the Sberbank Security Department specialists. Application of the Udar KB in further combination with Realta's ATM security detector, Shorok 3, provides reliable and comprehensive protection against thieves' attempts to steal cash and valuables from ATMs and vaults.